everyone, and welcome to this week Luminous Stitches training episode. This week we want to cut sister garments, which is round neck garments for female. So come with me. Here we have 3.5 yards of material for a grown-up female. Yeah, to start with, as I said earlier, the first thing you cut is a skirt. From here to here is what you cut. You will cut first, and the measurement is 40. And skirt length is 40. So look at this place. You cut your skirt length from the self edge, not here, not this. So from your self edge, a máa ń pè ní ojú ọ̀pá ni àbí. So we call this ojú ọ̀pá. From this self edge, you measure 40, which is the skirt length. 40. Remember, we will fold in 4 inches down, then half for sewing allowance up. 40 plus 4.5, 44.5. We double it for both front and back. And cut it out. So I won't touch this for now. If this is not enough, I can still cut out of this. So don't let me split it. This is the remaining material. Next, you go for your blouse from here to here. Blouse length. Our blouse length is 17. Look at the material. From this same self edge, I prefer cutting from this side. Measure your 17 out, and remember to add the half inch we normally add for sewing allowance. We'll sew it here. When we want to join it to the skirt, we use half inch to join it here. So that will be 17.5. Can we see? From here to here, 17. Measure it round to be sure it's equal 17.5. Okay, aṣọ yẹn bend, so a máa ṣe. By the time I want to cut the blouse out, màá trim it out. Our bust is 38.5, while her waist is 32. So the bust is the fullest, which is 38.5. 38 divided by 4, that is 9.5. Let's say 9.5 a point. Remember, there's half inch there, 38.5. So that will be 9.5 and a point. Just make sure it is 17. It's up to 17.5. Okay. I'll show you balance at all. Okay. So the fullest part is 9.5, and the point.
Yes.
Then our sewing allowance. Remember, I said that we should add at least 2 inches. So 9.5 plus 2 inches, 11.5 and a point. You can still leave it at 11.5. And if you like, I'll show you to determine if you have enough material. So if you key enough sewing allowance, it's not bad. This is 11, no, 9.5 and a point plus 2, 11.5, not 11, so 11.5. 11.5. measure this again. 17.5. Ibi tá ti máa trim èyí tó wọ̀ yẹn síta nìyí. Wọ́n bá ní kí n máa ṣe trim ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn, wọ́n máa waste time wa. So when you get it, if you can just look at it closely, especially ibi tó bend yẹn. So easily you trim it out here. This is what we need. No, I think she said her measurements I should have like 1 inch to her measurements. Yes. And the next thing you do from there is notch this place. Look for the center. This is the center. From there, look for where to position your darts. Our waist is, let me say 33 and a half. Let me say 33 and a half. So our waist is 33 and a half divided by, then our dart should be, we can use 3 and a half for our dart, we can use 4. From here, if you want to use 3 and a half, just measure 3 and a half straight from here. Okay. Can you see it? So from this place, measure another 1 inch. So this is where you will place your dart. Then notch it out. So anybody tó bá fẹ́ bá yín rán, ó ti mọ̀ pé ibi tẹ́ fẹ́ kí dart yín wà nìyẹn. Can you see? Both front and back. It's so ibi tí dart yín máa wà. Now your back. Our back is 9 and a half. Measure it from here to here. 9 and a half. Then you add half for sewing. Now go for your armhole. Our bust is 40. I said earlier, I think 2 weeks ago or so, that if you want to measure your armhole, your bust minus 4 divided by 4. So our bust is 40 minus 4. That is 36 divided by 4. It will give us 9. Another clue, for you to be very sure that you are right with that calculation, whatever you get must be very close to your back, to the back measurement. Now our measurement here, our back measurement here is 9 and a half. After calculating bust minus 4 plus divided by 4, it gives us 9. If your back is 9 and you calculate that one, you can still get 8 and a half, 9, 9 and a half. See, calculation will but if one anything close to our back measurement, then it is wrong. So now we're using 9 for the armhole. Let's repeat one to measure armhole from up 9. Then join it together and cut it out. That is all about this. Remaining the facing. So let's go for our sleeve. Finally, let the facing. Our facing was straight. So let's go for sleeve. Our sleeve measurement is 20. So 20, remember we have cuff here. So 20 plus 1, the sewing allowance, half that we will use to join the sleeve to the cuff and sleeve to the armhole, making 1 inch. So 20 plus 1, that is 21, minus 3 inches for this place, the cuff. That is 18. So that's the sleeve we will cut out. join curve so you have to remove the deduct that curve measurement from the sleeve. 18 will be 17 the one be. I pray our material will be enough. She's supposed to get 4 yards. So 18. This is our sleeve length. Then our armhole is 9, meaning you must be able to get that 9 from your sleeve. Torí àti join sleeve yẹn mọ́ armhole, at least this place must be up to 9. So cut out your sleeve. Remember to notch this place. That is part of our work. When you cut, notch the center. It makes your work easier. To get the curve, you can use 1, you can use 1.5. Just shape it out. Can you see? Let's see one shape armhole already. And that is all about the sleeve. So let's cut out the curve. This should be enough for the curve. Length of the curve, you can cut out 8. This is the length. 8. 8. Yes. And this for the width. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I measured 12 out for the width. You can measure whatever you like. I will make our round sleeve will be 4.5. Make that will be 9. So you can cut out 10. You can make it 11 head to head. It can be 10. It can be 11. It can be 12. If I should cut out 10 here, the remaining inches, like 1 or 2 inches, will waste. So that's the reason I decided to leave it. More so, tomorrow she might tell you, mo ti tóbi sí, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ẹ lè bá mi ṣe nǹkan kan sí sleeve yẹn ó fún mi. Then you have enough allowance to bring it out for amendments. So this is the cuff. Notch it out the center. I through with the sleeve. It remains cap and facing. I was getting at your cap. Should be facing Gosha. Could be facing no. After my manager. Two parts it will give you problem to when you want to join it. It will give you problem. So now measure it out. She's someone like me. 3.5 for her. Let me use 4. I will use 4 for her. Measure 4 from here to here. 4. Shoulder level. Make use of 3.25. You can as well use 3.5. Bí wọ́n bá ṣe fẹ́ kí ọrùn yẹn fẹ̀ sí. I want to use 3.25. From there, start shaping it. This is 3.25 and a point. 3.5. 3.75. 3.75 and a point. And this is 4. Ẹ kó ti kò ní lọ form U, kò dẹ̀ ní shape ẹ̀ máa lè ìwọ̀n bóyá get ẹ̀ ó máa round kò ní wọ́. So àti shape ẹ̀ síta. Can you see now? Ẹ ti rí nǹkan tí mo sọ ẹ̀ẹ̀kan tí mo ní make sure it is rhyme. Ẹ rí pé ó tún ti yẹ̀. Before you cut it out, make sure the facing is equal with the blouse. Then the facing. Torí pé aṣọ yẹn a manage ẹ̀ ni. We supposed to measure 4 out, but I'm very sure it can be up to 4. So I will make use of 3.5. This is 3.5. Torí pé aṣọ wọn ò tó. Normally it's supposed to be 4. And cut it out. Show pick. So we will get to sewing stage where I will show us how to join everything together. Yeah, pockets. 15.5 is okay. You can use 15, you can use 14. You can use 7.5, you can use 8 for the width. For the length, between 14 and 16, depending on the person's height. This is our pocket. Then band, cap band. Our cap band is 21.5. Just 1.5.
The band. 20.
That is 10. 21 is 10.5.
10.25.
10.25, yeah. 10.25. Ní cap measurement ìmọ̀ràn. But àwọn allowance tá máa ń add ní half. 1. That is 11.25. So for such person, you make use of nothing less than 12. Cap band. The length for cap band is usually 5. Aside, some people will tell you, I don't fẹ́ kí cap band wọ́n fẹ̀, but that is not celestial. Normal celestial cap shouldn't be more than 5 when cutting. So when you by the time you finish cutting, it will be like between 1.5 and 2 inches. So tí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ mọ̀ kò lè kọjá 2 inches. measure our cap measure just 1.5 divided by 2, 10 three quarter. No, 10.5 and a point. Remember I told you we had half here to form that slant line. Now, then the real cap measurement will be here. 10.5 and a point. Join this together. That is our cap. So notch it here. Hold it and notch it here too. So now, remember I told you that this material is not enough. It's supposed to be 4 yards. Now we're making use of 3.5, so the material is not enough. We still need to cut out cap. Then I will have to cut out of our skirt um
Length.
our skirt length. This is the normal skirt that I removed from the material. So cut out of it. What is our cap? This our cap filai. Bóyá ó ṣe máa fẹ̀ sí. I will make use of 9.5. Huh? Actually, and that would be 18. 9.5 divided by 19. Ah, I'll have to cut this out. Try. Let me make use of 9. 9. 9. Look at it very well. Can you see where I'm cutting it? In case your material might not be enough. Can you see where I'm cutting it? Torí àwọn èèyàn máa ń ṣe mistake in that some people you just open it, do like this, cut it from this place. Ẹ ti baṣọ jẹ́ gbèsè nìyẹn torí kò ní gbé length ẹ̀ mọ́. So this is the length. You can only cut from the side. Nǹkan tẹ́ fi máa get ẹ̀ easily. Etí ajé ẹ̀ ní self edge nìyí self edge nìyí. So you cut from one self edge.
Amen.
So one person see. Yíyọ. Elbow, stop and this is the remaining material for our skirt. Let's cut it out. Any material yẹn máa tó bí mo ṣe yọ skirt yẹn ni màá ti split ẹ̀ into 2 front and back. Let me see envisage pé the material might not be enough. So this is our skirt. Blouse, facing, sleeve. Pocket, fine. Let's cut out the cap. Nine inches. This depends on how big you want your cap to be. How big? Ẹlòmíì máa ní táwọn bá ṣe braid, àwọn máa fẹ́ kí cap àwọn fẹ̀ tó máa lè gba braid. You can make use of 10 instead of this 9. Some people hate, some hate and half, 9 and half. It depends on how big you want your cap to be. So this is 9. And whatever you measure here is what we measure here for your cap. And you measure it round. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9. Cut it out. So by this, we come to the end of our class for the week. Notch this place, notch this place. So when sewing, ó ti sọ àwọn ibi tó máa tí a máa place ẹ̀ sí. Then remember, you have to double your cap. I don't want to cut it that way because you might not get it, but let me try again. Mo fẹ́ ká get double yẹn. Eh? Mo fẹ́ ká get wọ́n ṣe ń cut double yẹn papọ̀. Double cap ẹ̀wọ̀n. For adults, you don't use single. Remember that single will make use of 9. So because it is double, you make use of 18. Yeah. 18. That is 9 times 2, 18. This will remain the same thing. 9. 18. Hold it. It gives you 9 like this. 9. This is 9 by 18. Then fold it again, making 9 by 9. It is doubled now. And we repeat what we did to that single. Measure 9 round and cut it out. So by this we come to the end of the class for the week. Thank you so much, and please try and practice it.